Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. This is the perfect place for beginners who want to learn how to approach fitness to look and feel their best. So if we're just meeting, my name is Alina and I'm a certified personal trainer, and I make weekly videos on workouts and fitness tips to help you on your fitness journey. In today's video, we're going to go over my 5 top exercises for your shoulders, your arms, your upper body that you can do at home without any equipment. So let's get into it. I will first demonstrate the 5 exercises, and then we're going to do a 10-minute workout using those 5 exercises, so stay till the end to get a quick 10-minute workout in. The first exercise is a modified push-up. So modified push-ups are really great for your chest and for your triceps, which is the muscle right here. And the benefit of doing them is, first of all, you'll get to work your way up to a normal push-up. And it is a very, very demanding exercise. Your heart will start beating faster. You have to keep your core engaged and super tight during the exercise. And just overall, it's a really great movement to start incorporating to just develop your entire upper body. And that's why I really love it. So I like to keep my hands just outside shoulder width apart. Make sure your arms are kept at an angle and go as low as you can and then come up. If this is too difficult for you, don't worry about it. Just work your way up to it. First, focus on just trying to hold the position and then hold it a little bit downwards so that when you're halfway down in the normal push-up, and just hold it there, and you'll start developing those muscles to try and work your way up to the actual modified push-up. The next exercise is a tricep extension to a crab hip up. So again, we're working our triceps, which is basically this muscle right here that a lot of women love to focus on. So we're going to tackle those today. And in this exercise, you're going to push up your body with your triceps, and then you're going to go into a full crab hip up. Now, the reason I'm incorporating the hip up part, even though that's technically a lower body exercise, is first of all, just because a little bit more movement never hurt anybody. And you also get a nice stretch here in your shoulders and in your upper body by having to come all the way up. So definitely incorporate this move into your routine as well. I really like it because after a bit, you definitely start to feel a burn right here. The third exercise is a pike push up. Now, these are pretty difficult, so please don't feel discouraged. Now, a pike push-up is like a push-up, except the focus is on your shoulders instead of on your chest. So when you're in the position for a pike push-up, remember that the distance between your hands and your feet will determine how difficult it is. So play around with that distance to kind of figure out, okay, it's a little bit easier when I bring my feet closer and I'm getting fatigued, so I'm just gonna move my feet closer. Definitely do that, don't worry about it, but remember to keep your core super engaged during the entire exercise so that you're getting all the benefits that you can from it. The next exercise is a walking plank. This one's pretty difficult too, not gonna lie, but it's so good for you. You're going to get into a plank position with your forearms on the mat, and then you're going to just start walking up and down, which will get your entire arm working. So your arm, including your shoulder, your tricep, you'll start to feel that, all while working your core also, because you're going to be holding the plank the entire time. So don't underestimate this movement. If it is too difficult for you, try doing 1 rep. So basically up, up, down, down, and then holding the plank for a bit and then going in on the other side. So pace yourself during it, but definitely keep trying to do more and more. The next exercise is a shoulder tap. So it's similar to the previous exercise, but instead of going up and down with your arms, you're going to just tap your shoulders. And the benefit of that is you're again working your balance a lot during this exercise, and you're really burning out your shoulders. So definitely keep working on this one. Again, you don't have to rush through it if you're not there yet. Just keep going at a consistent pace and slow down when you need to if you feel like it's getting too difficult for you. And that's it. So we're gonna get into the workout now. The format of the workout is going to be doing the exercise for 35 seconds and then taking a 25-second break, and then going on to the next exercise. Since there are 5 exercises, we're going to do 2 rounds, and that means the entire workout is going to be less than 10 minutes, so you can do it. It's not going to take very long. Just buckle down and let's get it done. So again, we're going to do the 5 moves that I outlined already, and then we're going to just repeat them for a second round. So let's get started. and you're done. So that was the entire workout. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I had so much fun filming this for you. Please, if you found value from it, like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos, and it just really helps support my channel. So you can also follow me on Instagram at CoachAlina_ or on TikTok at CoachAlina. For daily content, I'm always posting videos and photos and just ridiculous stories to just connect with all of you. So I can't wait to see you there. So until then, bye.